Here is how you can have both PDFs on your screen at the same time in order to avoid scrolling up and down. So you have opened the first PDF, the one with the theory, and then open a new tab, go to the downloads, where you will find the other that you have already downloaded from the email I've sent you, and you click here to open. And let me see. Transfer this tab in a new window. Okay, here it is. Now, in order to minimize this, click here. And here are the exercises. Sorry. The exercises and the theory. Click here to minimize this. So here you have both the theory and the exercises. And you can use these bars to go from left to right, from up to down. Well, there is some scrolling here, but you can stabilize it at some point so that you can refer back to it. Well, you don't have to open the windows all the time. You can keep them open like this, and you can adjust the size. Okay, so you can watch the video again to follow the instructions. And as I said earlier, you can adapt the size by clicking your mouse at the edge of the window and minimize it or maximize it. There you are.